Hey there, today I have a Stitchfix to unbox. So if you're not familiar with Stitchfix, it is an online styling service and I've been using Stitchfix for over a year now. Actually, I think my first Stitchfix box ever was like 5 years ago. Yes, it actually was. Right when the company first started, I did order a box and then I kept two things and decided it was too expensive for me, so I didn't try it again until maybe a couple years ago. But ever since then, I've been a regular customer of Stitch Fix, and I've been paired with a personal stylist that really gets my style and sends me a lot of good stuff. So I'm very lucky, and her name is Holly, by the way. But anyway, I'll put some information in the description box below about how Stitch Fix works, along with my referral link in case you want to check it out. I'll also put a card up above to my playlist of earlier Stitch Fix videos. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, this time my box seems a little bigger than usual. Oh wow, and here's what my box looks like inside. So you'll see I have shoes this time, because when Stitch Fix sends shoes, they always send it in this bag. But I've actually personally never purchased shoes from Stitch Fix before because I have very particular feet. So I need like arch support. Okay, so you always get a prepaid mailer to send anything you don't want back. You get a packet of information, and here's my bundle. Looks a little tiny because of the shoes, but yeah, so yeah, look at that. I always get floral because Holly knows I love floral. Okay, so with Stitch Fix you always get a note from your stylist along with some style cards. And yay! As always, my stylist is Holly. So I'm gonna go ahead and read my note, and what I'll do is I'll scan it and put it up above so you can read it too if you want to. But I'm gonna go ahead and read it. Okay, so Holly says that she sent me color because I did ask for color. I had actually also asked for a light colored moto jacket, but she said she struck out hard, so unfortunately wasn't able to find one. But actually, Holly, I found one at Nordstrom. I just was shopping with my daughter one day and I found one. I think it's by Blank USA or something like that, and it was like a really nice pale pink. So I have picked up a moto jacket in the meantime. And she sent me some coral sandals, so that'll be interesting because yes, coral is the Pantone color of the year, and I did do an outfit of the week or outfit of the day video featuring that color. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. So let's start with the shoes. Okay, so oh wow, look at this, it's very interesting. So these are flats, and they're really cute, and they have like this zipper in the back, so that makes it easy because I hate it when you have to like buckle stuff. I like zippers and I like Velcro. So these are, let me check, they're by MIZRAHI. Wasn't he on like Project Runway? I'm not sure. I used to love that show. I don't know if it's still on. Okay, yeah, MIZRAHI Dance Perforated Suede Thra. It's cut off. I'm thinking Sandal, but it's, yeah, in coral, size 6.5, and they're, ooh, $79. So they are a little pricey for a flat. Okay, and here are the sandals taken out of all the packaging. So you can have a good look at them. Very cute. I don't think I've seen anyone get these before. And I have to say, they do have a little bit of padding, but I don't think they do have much arch support. So we'll see. I'll have to just see how they are. Okay, and next I have a dress. Ooh, and this is by French Gray, and I love French Gray dresses. I'm not sure, but I think these are a Stitch Fix exclusive. And they always have these really soft knit dresses, and this one is called the Murphy Brush Knit. Yeah, that's what it's called. Knit dress, size medium in the color purple. And she said this is an eggplant purple, so can you see? And it's just a very pretty print. And this one has an elastic waist, and it has, the sleeves are kind of a tab sleeve. And this one is $48. Next, but it's very similar to something I actually own already, but that's okay. It's a top, and it's by Fun to Fun, and it's the Zahari split neck blouse in red, and it's size medium. Very pretty. Look at that print. And this one is $38. So yeah, this is very cute, and it has like the sleeve detail, so it's very cute. But I did just get a red top that's Fun to Fun that's very similar actually from my Golden Tote as a surprise item last month. So we'll see. I really do like this though. Okay, and next I got another top, and this is by 41 Hawthorn, which I know for a fact is the Stitchfix brand, and this is in the size medium petite, and it's the Carol Tulip detail blouse. So this one is $54. So yeah, it's a very pretty polka dot top, and it's just a polyester material, so it is a little bit sheer. It looks like it's lined in the front. Oh wow, that's interesting. So it's lined in the front but not in the back. Yeah, but it's cute, and it has a little pocket. I don't know if I have any white polka dot tops with this kind of bigger polka dot, because actually I really love polka dots. Yeah. That's really nice. And item number 5 is this. It's another top, and it's also by 41 Hawthorn, and this one is the Gina scallop sleeve blouse, size medium petite, and this one is $58. So this one is pushing it, getting close to 60. And oh, I don't know about this though. It's cute in the front. Check it out. It's very basic, and it has these like polka dot, what do you call that? They're like flocking. But in the back, it's the party. It's got like this interesting kind of like cutout. So yeah, I'm not really sure about that, but it is really cute and different. So I mean, that is one thing. Since I've been doing Stitch Fix, I definitely dress differently than I used to. All I wore before were like, for work anyway, were like dress pants and like some kind of polyester top. Yeah, and like maybe Kohan shoes, like the like pumps or something. Yeah, and then maybe a sweater. So it was very boring, to be honest. But then trying Stitch Fix, I really tried a lot of different things, and sometimes you just have to try things that are outside of your comfort zone and little bit inch out a little bit at a time, and before you know it, hey, you're just trying all kinds of trends. So yeah, that's just my 2 cents. I think this looks like a very promising fix again, and hey, what can I say? I have an awesome stylist, so I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here's the first top, and it's from 41 Hawthorn. And you know, I think this is a really cute top. I like that it has the lining in the front, and you know, it is just a really cute basic top. It has a little bit of a tulip sleeve. It has a little front pocket, and yeah, I think it's just very cute. So you don't have, since it has the lining in the front, you don't really have to wear like a tank top or a camisole underneath. The only thing is, it is, I think, a little big. You know, this is a medium petite, which is usually what I wear, but it doesn't seem to fit right. So I do really like this, and I don't think I have a top like this. I have to go through my wardrobe though. You never know. And I will maybe see if I can get a smaller size. But yeah, this is cute. Okay, and here is the second top from 41 Hawthorn. And you'll see it has this keyhole cutout in the back. And this one is not lined, so probably would have to wear something underneath because it is a little bit of a sheer fabric, but it is very pretty. You see the scalloped details on the sleeve, and it has a V-neck. But yeah, this is cute. I don't know though. I can feel my bra strap in the back, so I think it's a little bit, yeah. So, but it is kind of more of a dressier top, I think, like a special occasion. So I have it with those same cigarette jeans, the black jeans, and I think that looks nice. I switched out the shoes for some heels. So these are just Kohan pumps. And yeah, I think that looks cute. Size-wise, you know, I think it is a little big, actually. The other one was big too. So I think both of these, maybe with 41 Hawthorn, I have to take a small petite, make a note. All right, so okay, here is the last top. And this is by Fun to Fun. And it is cute too. This is a medium, so I don't know, this feels a little big somehow too, but it is really cute. And this is like totally what my style, I think. And it has really cute sleeve detail. And it kind of has this, I don't know what you call it, front. And I just paired it with some white jeans. I think she had it with some blue jeans and some black shoes, but I just, oops, since I love white jeans, I just decided to pair it with white jeans and black shoes. And then I had asked for like a light colored moto jacket, but she couldn't find one, but I found one on my own. And this was so this one is from Blank NYC. I'm just throwing this moto jacket into my Stitchfix, but it's really, really soft. It's kind of like a knit suede type of material. They had it in a bunch of different colors online, but at the store they only had this pink one. So I really like it. I think it's cute. What do you think, Holly? Okay, so, but this top, back to the top, it is really cute. The only thing I do have a very similar top from Fun to Fun that I got from Golden Toad, so we'll see if I need two tops that are similar. Okay, and here is the French gray dress. And yeah, I really do like this. I think it fits perfectly. It's so soft. You know, I just really love this brushed cotton. Yeah, it is. It's extremely soft. And I just, I don't know, it's just comfortable. It's easy to wear. Yeah, it's pretty. And I don't think I have anything this shade of purple. I don't have a lot of purple actually. But yeah, very pretty. I just have it paired with some, these are my Monroe sandals that I always wear. When I actually look at the style cards, I see all these great shoes that I don't own. But honestly, I have a very boring shoe collection, unfortunately, because it's just my feet don't work with a lot of shoes. And yeah, so this is very cute, and she has it paired with a denim jacket, and yeah, so that's the look, and I think it looks really nice with a denim jacket, and totally up my alley. Very nice. Okay, and here are the orange or coral sandals. And you know, they are very cute, and I think they're reasonably comfortable. They do have some padding, but they're very flat, so there's no arch support. But I think they are kind of a cute pop of color. Yeah, so they are kind of a nice, bright spring color. And I have been looking for color. But yeah, I don't know if these are going to have enough support for me. So for $79, I'll probably want to get something that has more arch support. But yeah, very cute. Okay, so that was everything in my fix this month. And wow, you know, I honestly thought it was another great fix. I mean, I think my stylist Holly does a wonderful job, honestly. Thank you, Holly. And yeah, everything that she sent me, I thought was something that I would definitely could wear. And you know, I asked for color, she sent it, and I also like the type of prints that she sent. So I am a big fan of florals. I love polka dots, and she delivered. Okay, but anyway, let's go over the invoice. So the total of this fix for all 5 items is $277, which is pretty typical for my fixes. And as an FYI, I have my price ranges set at the lowest possible. Okay, so the buy all discount 25% off is $69.25. So if I were to buy everything in this box, the order subtotal would be $207.75. Okay, and I also do have some credit. So 3 of you did sign up using my referral link. So anytime you use my referral link or anyone else's referral link, so hey, if you're thinking of doing Stitchfix, never done it before, it's best to use someone's referral link. And that way you get a $25 credit when you sign up and order your first fix, and they get a $25 credit. So yeah, I'd like to quickly thank Whitney, Leslie, hey Leslie, she's my friend, and so is Terry. Terry, thank you very much for signing up using my referral link and giving me some credit. And I hope you may put your credit to good use too. Okay, I guess I had some carryover from last month. So my order subtotal, if I were to buy all 5, was 110.24, which isn't bad. But to be honest, I don't think I'll be buying everything. Yeah, so we'll see. I think one of my favorites from this fix was this top, and I really love polka dots. And I think this white with the black polka dots is it's just a very basic print style, and you could wear it with colored jeans. I think it would look cute. I think it would be nice. I wore it with black jeans. You could wear it with white jeans and blue jeans. There's a lot of options, and then you could add like something like colorful for a pop of color. The only thing was this medium petite was a little big for me. So I think what I'm gonna do is with Stitchfix, when you check out, you can see if they have another size. So you can see right away if there's another size and you can request it. Okay, and then like this red top, I think this was totally cute. I mean, I think most of you would agree. And I'll put everything that I got in this fix in my Pinterest board, which is linked down below. So if you see anything in my fix that you like, you can go to my Pinterest board and pin it to your Pinterest board. So hopefully that'll be helpful. But yeah, I think this is a very cute top, and it's only $38. The only thing is I have a very similar top from Fun to Fun that I got from Golden Tote just last month. So I'll probably be sending this back, but I'm not totally sure. This other 41 Hawthorn top with the very interesting back. I thought this was actually really cute. But yeah, I don't know. I think for me, it was just a little much. But I appreciate Holly sending me this to think that I could pull this off. But yeah, I'm not so sure that I can pull this off, but it is very cute. And I like it, but yeah, I'm not too sure. So we'll see. And then this cute dress. And I have to say French Gray, which is a Stitchfix exclusive, I think, is one of my favorite brands. And they always have these very soft brush knit dresses and with the cute floral print. I wish more brands were like this, you know. I think Gilly makes a lot of these, but yeah, these French Gray dresses are awesome. So that's one reason just to try Stitch Fix. Just try Stitch Fix and ask for a fix of French Gray dresses, and you can't go wrong. But you know, I have a million dresses. I was trying to count all the dresses in my closet, so I'm embarrassed to say how many I have, but I have a lot. Yeah, so we'll see. I really don't need any more dresses, although I really love dresses. And another thing I'm not too sure about was this tab sleeve. Yeah, the thing is with the tab sleeve, it makes it a little harder when you're like wearing like a cardigan, because it, you know, you'll see a big bump. It'll be like the snake that ate the elephant. That look. But anyway, yeah, but it is very cute, soft, and comfortable. Okay, and lastly, for the shoes, the MIZRAHI. Yeah, these are very flashy, cute shoes. But I think, you know, for me, maybe they're a little bit much. Plus, for me, I kind of need stuff that have some arch support. So that's why I usually go to stores like the Walking Company, you know, for my comfort shoes. But anyway, yeah, these were cute, and I did appreciate trying them on. Okay, so that's all I have for today's video. I have little Kaya here to say goodbye. Yeah, Kaya. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and I also do some outfits of the day. And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now. Say bye, Kaya. Oh. Kaya says bye.